mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home tonight. Hey, ma, we're gonna be your...
And hello, good afternoon sa inyong lahat. So, welcome to my channel. This is Mommy Nets. How about you? What's your name?
I'm Chanel.
Chanel o Chacha and...
Ate!
Where's Ate? Here! Ate Emre. We are going to make a slime!
And pink! And pink!
Yes, our ingredients o yung mga materials na gagamitin natin. So, this is a Filipino style o DIY slime.
Pink one!
Yes, DIY slime. So, we have here
And this
glue.
one, this is my pink one.
Yes,
The
glue.
pink and pink one is one.
Ito yung glitter sa pang-decorate natin, panlagay natin sa ating slime. And para maging foamy yung ano natin, yung slime natin, maglalagay tayo ng shaving cream. And ang activator natin na gagamitin is Ariel. Kasi hindi kami makapaghanap ng borax. Kasi yun yung ginagamit na pang-activate ng slime. So, first, ang gagawin natin is...
Pink one is the one with my funny with pink one Ate Shasha.
Yes, okay. So, set aside na natin itong mga materials natin. So, ito yung, syempre kailangan natin ng container itong lagyan natin ng ating mixture. Okay? Para makagawa tayo ng
Slime.
very good. So, first, mura lang to. It's around 30 pesos kasi yung Elmer's glue masyadong pricey. Mahal siya. So, ito na. Ito yung ating glue. Okay, Ate Sasha, do the honor. You can put the glue here in the container. Go. Ayan.
Slime.
So, kapag wala kayong magawa sa bahay nyo, good activity to together with your kiddos na makagawa kayo ng inyong slime. So, this is the first time na gagawa kami ng DIY slime kasi gusto ni Ate Shasha na
And the
gumawa ng
below
slime.
here was a grow.
Yes.
Ate.
Yes. So, ayan na. So, ayan ate. No. So, ayan na. Habang nilalagay ni ate, yan. You just put it there. Maglalagay tayo ng... Wait. Move aside. Okay. Para madali siyang pwede nyo ding lagyan ng tubig. Ayan. Wait. Don't put. Okay. Wait lang ha. Okay, ate, don't touch anything. Let me. So, ayan. Lalagyan.
Ako na.
Small amount. Ayan. Okay na. Ang gandang tingnan. So, ayan na. Kapag nalagay na natin yung yung pang-decorate natin. Kasi yung iba, nilalagay nila after yung malagay yung activator. Kasi para sa akin, mas maganda kapag creamy pa siya, nilagay na yung lagyan pa natin ng konti.
Ay!
No. Okay, you roll it, Ate Sasha. Very good, very nice. Ayan. So, wait. Ilalagay na natin tong Ariel liquid. Ano kulay ko, ate? Blue? Anong pink? May pink dito. Ito yung good thing. So, first, ate, you put it there. Ako na yung mag-aano nito ha, para maganda yung slime natin. Okay, you pull it out. No, hold it. Wait. Wait ate, ako na. Sit down, you sit down there, sit down. So, maglalagay tayo ng konti lang yung ilalagay natin muna. Tapos, i-roll natin. Parang ang akin ito. Yan. Nakikita nyo ba? Ito, bumubuo na siya.
Slimy!
Yes.
Slimy is all nice.
So,
So,
maglalagay pa tayo ng konti.
Mine.
Wait, ate. Okay, mag-side ate. Sit down, ate. Sit down. Ayan na. I think hindi natin ito gagamitin kasi parang hindi siya I recommend na huwag kayong gumamit ng plastic kapag nag-aano kayo, kaya or kamay yung gamitin nyo. Ayan.
Gimme.
Ate!
Gimme.
You sit down.
Gimme.
Ayan na.
Yes.
As you can see here, ayan, medyo, as you can see here, ayan, medyo bumubuo-buo na siya. So, kailangan natin, medyo hindi pa siya,
Slime.
pinakita na namin. So, I will help Ate Sasha. So, I don't think na medyo hindi pa fix kasi meron pa dito sa ilalim. So, maglalagay tayo ng konting Ariel. Ayan. Maglalagay tayo ng konting Ariel. Wait, ate. As you can see, medyo, wow! Fixy na siya. So, yung gagawin na lang natin, you will do it in the hand. So, wait lang ate, hindi pa siya medyo, ayan, nakikita nyo ba? Yung sa grapon, ayan. Ito na siya.
Slimy.
So, depende sa gusto nyong texture. So, medyo maano ka Depende sa gusto nyong texture nyo. So, parang hindi pa siya fixy. So, maglalagay pa tayo ate ng konti. Okay? Kasi hindi pa siya masyadong fixy. Hindi pa siya, medyo, yung texture ng slime natin is medyo mabasa-basa pa. So, lagyan na natin ng konting-konti lang. Wait. Medyo hindi pa. Okay na ate. Wait, ate. Wait. Medyo hindi pa siya mas sticky pa. Sticky pa siya. Medyo sticky pa siya sa kamay, pero makukuha naman din.
Awon.
So, konti. Ate Sasha, you can put, wait.
Ate.
Wait, ate. I told you already, di ba?
Birthday.
Invasion of the little kids.
Ate.
So, wait, ate. Ate, get down.
Okay.
Ate Shasha, I think it's okay now. It's not sticky anymore. You can do it. Lalagyan pa natin ng konting silver dust. Ate Shasha, gusto mo?
Yes.
Lalagyan natin ng konting silver dust, okay? Okay. So, you can do it like this, oh. Okay. Ate Shasha, let me. Medyo sticky pa kay Ate Shasha. Ba't nagsistick pa kay isa kamay ni Ate? Ate, no. Ba't nagsistick pa sa hands niya? Wait. Medyo sticky pa sa hands ni Ate Shasha. So, for me kasi, kapag sticky pa siya, it means hindi pa siya fix yung ano niya. Parang basa pa sa ano eh.
My father.
So, ayan, Ate Shasha, let me do it again, okay? Okay, do it again. So, feeling ko, yung, kaya nagsisticky pa, eh,
Ate.
wait, ate, hindi pa talaga, ano, ganituhin mo, Ate Shasha. Meron pa talaga, feeling ko,
Ate.
siya kasi merong, parang naglalaruan kami ng ano, yung sakot ng gagamba. Ipifixer natin kasi parang feeling ko kasi pero mas okay na siya. As you can see here, you can do anything you like.
Ate.
You can get, this, you try this, Ate Shasha.
Ate first.
You can get a small one. Pero feeling ko kasi, medyo ano pa siya eh. Hindi pa siya fix. Ayan,
Ate first.
na ano pa siya. Let me, oh. Okay. You do that. Come on, you. Ayan. Kinukuha ko kasi yung mga exercise naman.
Ate.
Wait, ate. We will give you. So,
Ate.
you have to wait.
I felt my meal. I like my meal.
Ate, you go get the milk na. Go get the milk to Marion. As you can see here, pwede na siyang ganito. Ayan. Yan yung Ate Shasha, Pero wait lang, Ate Shasha. Medyo sticky pa siya sa hand, pero ano naman. Sticky talaga siya. Sticky pa talaga siya, ate. Ayan, medyo sticky pa siya kasi, let me.
Handsome.
Wait, sticky pa talaga.
Handsome.
You want this texture or lalagyan pa natin ng Ariel?
Handsome. Right.
Ha?
Handsome.
Okay na to? Sticky talaga, promise. Okay, wait. So, ilalagay natin muna siya sa ano. Babalik natin siya dito. Ate Shasha, you will get your hands there. And you come on. Let me. Move aside na yan. Will you move aside na yan? Oh, you hold this. Ayan, kasi makukulit yung ano namin. So, ako na Ate Shasha yung mag-mix ha. Para mas okay talaga, mas talaga yung ano natin, yung slime. Ano talaga yung texture niya. Wait. So, this is our first attempt na gumawa ng slime. So,
Mommy, excuse me.
Ate Shasha, you do this, Get that.
Excuse me, please.
Okay lang madumihan yung kamay. It's part of making some slime, making something, okay?
Bye-bye.
Kasi, Mafe-feel mo talaga, nafe-feel mo yung yung
Ate, tell me different. I like
just
always
pa kay Ate Sasha. So, gaganyan-ganyan na natin.
relation to a real
Move aside, ate. Move aside. Just sit down there. Sit down. So, ito na yung final product namin. And, okay na siya. Medyo sticky pa siya, pero ito yung gustong texture ni Ate Sasha. Say hi, Ate Sasha! Yan, si Ate Sasha.
Hi!
Ate Emring. Move aside na, Ate. Time na ganito talaga, yung fluffy siya. Yung as in, hindi siya masyadong hard. As in, super talaga. Ayan. And you can do it in the bubbles. And sa mga gustong gumawa, I will put it under my description box. Sa mga gustong gumawa nito, yung mga ingredients at yung direction niya. So, that's it. Sa mga mamshi papshi dyan, sa mga kiddos. So, this is Mommy Net saying bye-bye and thank you for watching in my vlog. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel! So, bye-bye!
Bye!
Ate, you say bye-bye.
Bye!
Bye, guys! See you again!
Bye-bye! See you again!